guys, I just washed up and now I'm getting ready to go out. I'm gonna go shopping with my friend. Today I'm going to be redecorating my room. So I'm trying to like buy some things. I'm gonna go to ikea and I also need to buy some clothes. So yeah, I'm gonna go shopping.
꼬리를 한번 보자고요. 그러다가 꼬리
알아준 어머니가 여기를 굉장히 좋아.
So I just got ready to head out, but before I head out, I just want to introduce today's sponsor, which is GC Probiotics. I'm really excited to introduce their products to you because I actually genuinely love them. So they sent me these 3 products to try out, and this one is the Probiotic Max, the Probiotic Beauty, and Probiotic Slim. I haven't seen that many videos talking about gut health, but it's so important because it not only affects you physically, but having poor digestion can also be stressful. I've always had trouble going to the bathroom because I don't drink enough water. Also, my diet is very unhealthy as well. I'm so glad that they reached out to me and I got to try out their product because I genuinely saw really great results. So I've been taking all 3 products together. Let me start off with the Probiotic Max. This is their key product. This promotes gut health and this is going to help your digestive system run way smoother. And let me tell you, this makes me go to the bathroom at least once a day. I used to go like once every 2 or 3 days, which is crazy. I know it's really bad, but that's how bad my digestive system was. But the days that I take this product and even the days that I forget, my stomach and body feels so much lighter. Like sometimes I go to the bathroom like 2 times a day. The Probiotic Beauty contains hyaluronic acid that strengthens your hair, skin, and nails. I have really weak nails and hair, and also my skin isn't that amazing. And I did try taking other supplements like gummies, but I just ended up like forgetting to take them. But the reason why I love these is because they come in little packets, so you can take them on the go. It's so easy, like it's so convenient. So the Probiotic Slim boosts weight loss performance and keeps you energized throughout the day. Let me talk about the taste a little bit. They actually taste so good, like I'm not even joking. It tastes like the outer part of sour gummy bears. It's sweet and it's kind of sour, and I love that because I just take these after I eat and it kind of acts like a dessert because I have a huge sweet tooth and this kind of helps with it. You can take these without or with water. I like to just eat them by itself. If you guys want to try out these products, you can use my code Crystal06 at checkout on Amazon. I actually sell these on Amazon, which is so convenient because I always use Amazon. So I'll put the link down below and the code as well. So I'm just gonna take these and head out now. And also, I'm gonna bring some for my friend.
Yeah, don't sit down on the floor.
Okay, so I am back home. Oh my god, why are my lips looking like that? I'm going to organize my room and decorate my room. I'm really excited because I bought some room decor. I'm gonna link everything down below. Yeah, I bought some organizing things from ikea, and I also ordered some room decor on Amazon. So this is how my room is looking now. It's honestly not that bad, but it's just very plain, and I have a lot of like stuff on the desk, and I want to keep it inside containers. Okay, the curtains were too short, so it looks weird, but it works. Okay, so this is how my room is looking now. I changed the sheets. I feel like it's gonna look prettier tomorrow when there's sunlight. So I'll show you guys what it looks like in the sunlight. I'm doing my friend's nails. So we're gonna do something cute like this. I wanna practice because I always do like long nails. I finished my friend's nails. Cute. Okay, so if you go right here, there's this corner. These are the candles that I made. It's so cute. I have like some perfumes that seemed a little aesthetic to put it here. And this is a plant I already had. It's fake. And the mushroom lamp. I feel like I need to put more things here, but I feel like if I make it too busy, it will be a little too much, so I have to think about it. Then I have the little posters. I want to add more to it, like maybe on top, but even this looks okay. And then I have the new pink bed covers. I love this color so much. It's like so pastel. And then over here I have my vanity. I wanted to keep it very like simple, and I didn't want any makeup showing, well, except those lipsticks. But so I put it in these ikea organizers. I'm so happy about it, but I think I'm going to be labeling them in the future. I use these tapes to label, and this is so cute. This is from Delivery. Oh my god, why is it not focusing? There's like this little character on it. It's so cute. It's from Jessica's brand. But so basically I just like tape a little bit like this big, and then I label it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do in the future. This is so cute. Yeah, I have these like plastic baskets that I bought on Amazon, and I use those to put in like tools. And then over here is like my office stuff. These are just like lighting and like tripods and like my iPad. And this has, I need to put this somewhere, but this has like tissue paper and stuff for mine. And yeah, like office stuff. And then I have this little corner, this toast lamp from Delivery. I feel like I want to put this somewhere else though, like near my vanity, because it's cute, but I'll do that later. So that is my room. I'm so happy how it turned out. I love how it's pink. So yeah.